What up, guys? Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi Champion Mindset Conference. My boy Eric is here. Um, love the hospitality, man. I can't believe that, a year ago, right, I met you, and now we're in this conferences together.
Yep.
And you're hosting my conference on December 3rd, so I'm excited. I want to thank you, and good event that you put out here, and a lot of energy. So, my conference is going to be a little more elevated, just, I'm coming in strong.
No
So,
problem. No
all
problem.
right, so-
Excited for you. I'm excited to provide the opportunity.
Absolutely.
And I'm excited for your success and what we're going to share with the people coming up at the conference on December 3rd.
right.
I think it's going to be a hit. You need to come. You need to find out what Game Changer is all about. Because some of you guys are stuck in your comfort zone and think you know it all. You don't. The world is changing, marketing's changing, sales is sales, but relationship, you got to continually work on that and take advantage of this conference.